Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy A17, and today I'll be showing you how you can boot this device into the download mode. So, since Samsung changed several different things on their software side, since like software I believe 8.1, at least I think, or 8.2 specifically, they removed a bunch of options from recovery mode and kind of hid away the download mode. Now, download mode still can be accessed in the weirdest way. So, first thing we'll need to do is actually go into our settings, scroll all the way down to device care, and then at the bottom here you'll find maintenance mode. So you want to enable this and then select turn on. And for some reason we need screen lock. Now this mode is designed for giving off your phone for repair purposes. So you don't need to wipe it, you just boot it into this mode, and this allows the service to use it normally while your data is still safe and secure on the phone, just not accessible to whoever is repairing it. So I'm going to quickly set it up just so we can do that. And let's try to turn it on now. So restart. Boop. And as you can see, it tells us that it will take sometimes around 2 minutes. So I'm just going to let it go through. There is no progress bar or anything like that. It's just creating some logs right here. But obviously the device should reboot and bring us into the maintenance mode. So once we are there, I'm gonna resume or continue talking. I'm gonna let it run through normally without pausing or skipping forward, so you can see how long this actually takes. Okay, there we go. So you can see the device now booted up into the maintenance mode. So from here we should be theoretically able to boot into the download mode. So we're going to turn it off. So I believe that's power button and volume up. Or volume down. Oh, I forgot 16. I just swipe down from the top right side. Oh, there we go. It's just being a bit slow by the looks of it. It's not the fastest device. Anyway, from here we're gonna select turn or power off, and it turns off. Now, give it a second. Now it's off. So you want to grab now a cable, plug it into your computer, and then we're gonna connect it to our phone. And if I remember correctly, because this also is a little bit wonky, we first need to wait for the charging logo. So let's just give it a second. Continue on. Not that. Come on, show me percentage. There we go. So that's what we're looking for. Once we see this, we can now hold power button, volume up and down. So all of these buttons right here. Oh, and there we go. And here's our download mode. Now I'm going to unplug it, or sorry, this isn't technically download mode yet, as we still need to press volume up to get into it. And here it is. Now typically you'd want to probably keep the phone plugged in for this purpose, as download mode is there to get some software or system from the computer to your phone. But because I'm not going to be doing any of that, I can unplug it. So that's how you enter into the download mode. Now to leave this mode, we're going to hold power button and volume down for more than 7 seconds, which is labeled right here. Now power button is labeled as side key, as though we don't have any other side keys. No Samsung, and not the smartest ones there. So with that in mind, we're going to hold power button, volume down. And once the screen turns off, you can actually let go of both of them. There we go. Now we're going to wait for the device to boot back up, but if I remember this, it will boot up into the maintenance mode, which we still need to leave the maintenance mode. So I'm going to show you that once we are back. Give it a moment, it's a little bit slow, as you can clearly see. So to leave the maintenance mode, we're again going to navigate into the settings. We're again going to go to device care. And we're going to be selecting maintenance mode and exit. And you will need to, I believe, provide your screen lock, potentially. What the hell is this? Oh, there we go. Restart. I'm not sure why some application opened. Probably by mistake tapped on something and it took a moment to turn it on. And there we go. We're out of exit mode. We're out of maintenance mode, and everything is good to go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.